Hey friends, welcome back to my kitchen. Today I'm making crispy fried chicken and golden egg rolls, perfect little snacks before dinner. This is the kind of food I love to serve when friends come over. We hang out, talk, and enjoy these crunchy bites together. The chicken is fried to crispy perfection, and the egg rolls are golden and packed with flavor. Tip: always serve finger foods like these when hosting. It's easy, fun, and makes everyone happy. Thanks for watching, friends. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more simple and delicious homemade recipes. See you next time.